Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Medz. I hope your week is off to a great start. So yes, this is a quick one. As you know, we always do quick videos. Well, for now at least, because there's so much to do. But I wanted to come on here to wish you a great week ahead. This is the second full week of the year 2026. And yes, there's so many things that are happening in our world that it's unbelievable. We are in unprecedented times. And today's feature, we talked about it on Monday Medz Health Nuggets on UVC Radio. If you have not listened to it, I hope you do hear the recording. There's so many things happening. It's very stressful times, especially if you're dealing with immigration issues. For those of you who are immigrants in another country, yes, these are serious times. And with what's happening in the U.S. and with Venezuela, so many things that are happening in our world. Listen, let us try and stay calm and know that God is in control. And no matter what happens in our world, God is in control. He is in perfect control. He is in 100% control. Or if you can say 1,000% control, 1,000,000,000% control. Our Heavenly Father is in total control. And so I came on here to encourage you. Let not your heart be troubled. You believe in God, you believe also in Jesus Christ. And know that He is our God and we are His people. So whatever the challenge you are faced with, whether immigration issues, whatever crisis, financial crisis, whatever housing crisis. I know many of us here in Jamaica dealing with housing issue, especially after Hurricane Melissa. Whatever the crisis you're dealing with, just remember that God is in total control. And if it is that you have to move from the country you're living in, be sure to gather all your documents. Make sure you always have your emergency kit with your documents, your important documents put together so you can grab them as you need to. And make sure you have important documents for you, your children, for your spouse, and for everybody, every member of your family. You have all your important documents together. And remember, always try to stick together. Have an awesome week, everyone, and God be with you. This is your Monday Meds, and I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. Keep watching.